Good morning, students. I am Puritus sir. I hope you are all well. You know, our world is going through a critical situation because of the attack of COVID 19. So, everybody stay at home and save your family and society. In this situation, our school management has arranged some classes for you. Hence, I shall take a class on geometry. I am going to arrange your class with some video links and audio messages. Watch the videos attentively along with the audio recordings, and then if any questions arise in your mind, note it down and send me when the class is over. Let's start. Look at this clock. As you know, this is the hour hand, this is the minute hand. So, what is the time? Is the clock showing? Yes, it is 10 past 10. Now look, there is a gap between the hour hand and the minute hand. The two hands meet at a point and create angles. Let us define an angle. An angle is a geometric figure formed by two rays diverging from a common point. Here, OA and OB are two rays diverging from the point O. So O is the common point. O is called vertex. The angle formed by OA and OB is angle AOB or angle BOA. The two rays OA and OB are called sides or arms or hands of an angle. Let's draw different types of angles. OA, OB. Figure number 1. DE DC. Figure number 2. XZ XY. Figure number 3. QP QR. Figure number 4. L के LM. Figure number 5. UV UW. Figure number 6. Now identify from given figures which angle is smallest and which angle is largest. I think you have already identified the angles. First angle is the smallest one. Sixth angle is the largest one. Here, the measure of the angles are not equal. We see that first one is less than second, second one is less than third, third one is less than fourth, fourth one is less than fifth, and fifth one is less than sixth. How can we measure of an angle? We measure an angle by a protractor. The unit of measuring an angle is degree. Using protractor, we measure all the above angles and the results are measure of first angle is approximately 40 degree. It is less than 90 degree. Measure of second angle is 90 degree. Measure of third angle is 130 degree. It is greater than 90 degree but less than 180 degree. Measure of fourth angle is 180 degree. Measure of fifth angle is 210 degree. It is greater than 180 degree but less than 360 degree. Measure of sixth angle is 360 degree. Each and every angles has its own name. Do you know the name of these angles? Depending on the position of the arms, there are different types of angle. The types are acute angle, right angle, obtuse angle, straight angle, reflex angle, complete angle. Let's learn about them. Acute angle. If the measure of an angle is more than 0 degree but less than 90 degree, then the angle is called acute angle. Some examples of acute angle: 1 degree, 10 degree, 40 degree, 60 degree, 80 degree, 89 degree, etc. All the angles between 0 degree and 90 degree are acute angle. A right angle. An angle whose measure is 90 degree is called right angle. If one straight line stands straight on another straight line, then the measure of the angle thus formed is 90 degree. Obtuse angle. If the measure of an angle is more than 90 degree but less than 180 degree, then the angle is called obtuse angle. Some examples of obtuse angle: 91 degree, 120 degree, 130 degree, 155 degree, 175 degree, 179 degree, etc. All the angles between 90 degree and 180 degree are obtuse angle. Straight angle. If both arms of an angle are in an opposite direction, then the angle is called straight angle. The measure of a straight angle is 180 degree. Reflex angle. An angle whose measure is more than 180 degree but less than 360 degree is called reflex angle. Some examples of reflex angle: 181 degree, 222 degree, 270 degree, 355 degree, etc. All the angles between 180 degree and 360 degree are reflex angle. Complete angle. When the arms take a complete turn, then the angle of measure 360 degree is formed. This type of angle is called complete angle. Zero angle. The angle whose measure is 0 is called zero angle.